Hello students, welcome to the session. I hope you all are doing good. Our topic for today is use of and. In this session, we will understand how to use and in a sentence. Students, and is a joining word. And is a joining word. When we have to join two words or two sentences together, we use and. जब हमें टू वर्ड्स को ज्वाइन करना होता है तब हम उसे एंड से ज्वाइन करते हैं. लेट अस सी एन एग्जाम्पल सो दैट यू कैन क्लियरली अंडरस्टैंड दिस कॉन्सेप्ट. हेयर यू कैन सी अ बैग एंड अ बैट. आपको एक बैग और एक बैट दिख रहा है. बैग को हम बोलते हैं अ बैग. बैट को हम बोलेंगे अ बैट. Now, when we have to say both of them together, जब हमें दोनों को साथ में बोलना होगा that bag और bag, तब हम and का यूज करेंगे. And का मतलब होता है और. And का मतलब होता है और. A bag and a bat. Here you can see a bag, a bat. इन दोनों के बीच में हमने and का यूज किया है. And मतलब होता है और. A bag and a bat. हमें इससे पता चला कि यहाँ पे दो चीजें हैं. एक बैग है और एक बैट है. And is used to join two things, objects together. We use and in the middle of the two different words or objects. Let us see more and understand. Here you can see two pictures. A lad, a cat. If you will say a lad, a cat, then we will not be able to understand that both of them are together. To represent that, to show that, we will use and. A lad and a cat. A lad and a cat. This shows that here is a lad and a cat. Both of them are together. Next we have two pictures. A map, a tap. एक मैप है और एक टैप है. अब इन दोनों को जब हमें साथ में बोलना है तो हम बोलेंगे a map and a tap. A map and a tap. Students, here map and tap are rhyming words. Map और tap तो rhyming words हैं, है ना? Rhyming words वो होते हैं जिनका ending sound same होता है. Map और tap both are ending with ap sound. And also we understood the concept of and. Map and a tap. We will say a map and a tap. Now we have hat and cap. So what we will say? We will say a hat, a cap. When we have to join them together and say them as a whole, so we will say a hat and a cap. A hat and a cap. This here you can see and is joining hat and cap together. And is a joining word. And is a joining word. Next we have fan, van. यहाँ एक fan है और एक van है. So we will say a van, a fan. And together we will say them a van and a fan. A van and a fan. I hope students you can understand how to use and. We will use and to join two different words together. That's all for today's concept.